Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be making the famous jailhouse brick I've seen all over TikTok, and they make it with chips and noodles and like a few other things. They get Slim Jims, but I got plant-based beef jerky, and I have bean dip and cheese. Also I have pickles. I'm not sure how it's going to taste with the pickles, but we're going to see. Like, I'm kind of, I don't know, I'm scared. What if I waste, I'm gonna post some of these chips out because it's actually too much. I don't know. I think this is a good amount because this is actually a big bag. So, the first thing they do is crush the chips up. We're going to do that. Let me get something else. Gotta bring out the big ones. So my water's already boiling. There we go. That thing be crying. And now I'm going to crush up the noodles. Take the pack out. Crush up the noodles. I do think it was more chips than noodles, but I don't know, y'all. That's how that looked. Yeah, I might have to put another noodle in there. Alright, so it looks like an equal ratio now. So I'm gonna set that to the side and cut up some pickles to put in there. I see. Just cutting them up. You guys, I'm not sure how they came up with this. Like, how do they come up with this type of stuff in jail? I know you have a lot of free time, so you're gonna be creative. You're gonna get creative with this stuff. But like noodles, chips together like that, I would have never thought about it. So I cut up the pickles, putting the pickles in there. Hopefully this is good with the pickles, cause I don't know. I'm a little skeptical. I'm actually a little skeptical. I'm a little skeptical about the whole thing right now. Okay. And now I'm gonna take the Beyond Meat. I'm gonna put a few pieces in there. Oh, I ain't gonna put too much. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna put them in there. Be a little hard. Yeah, they a little hard. It ain't gonna be the same texture as the real stuff. Yeah. That stuff finna break my teeth. I ain't gonna put them in there. Yeah, nah. Skip that. So the next thing they do, they get the pack and they put that in there. I'm only put half of this one. Okay. That should be good. Now mix. And hope for the best. So now, the water is still hot from the teapot. And now, they said don't put too much. So, oh, that was dumb. Whew. That is hot. Mix that around. Probably put a little more water. And then they fold it up and sit it to the side for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll be back in the next 15 minutes. Okay, so I don't even know if it's been 15 minutes yet, y'all, but I'm too excited to even wait. I feel like it's ready. Like, it been a little minute. I just been on my phone scrolling on YouTube and stuff, and I feel like it's solid. Like, it's good right now, and it look like it's done. Okay, so let me get something to open this. Final reveal. Oh. Okay. This is how we looking, y'all. This is how we looking. Matter of fact, let me get this on a plate. Let's get this on a plate so y'all can get a closer look. You guys, it ain't all the way bricked up, but y'all get the picture. Okay. Let me go this way. I feel like I did good for my first 10. Alright. So I'm going to put the cheddar cheese on there. I'm going to put it on one side. I don't know if I want to put that bean dip on there. I don't know now. I'm just put it on one side, and then I'm gonna put the bean dip on one side. Whoo, I'm excited. I've never seen nobody put the bean dip on there, but I just wanted to try it with it. Oh, yeah, I'm about to try this. I'm really about to try it. Okay. Oh, moment of truth. Let's take another bite. That's interesting. Let me taste the bean part. Hold on. I gotta get all these flavors. if I was in jail, this would be bomb. Like, because I don't know what they feed you in jail. But if I was in jail, this would be like, yeah, but. It tastes real good with the pickles too. I honestly give this a 7 out of 10. I give this a 7 out of 10, guys. This is interesting though. Like, the taste is like, how did y'all come up with this stuff? I had watched a video where they make their cheese in jail out of Cheeto Puffs and hot boiling water. And that's real interesting. Like, y'all get real creative in jail though. Look at that. Let's get one more taste for the camera. We're gonna do the bean dip. Get a little pickle. That was a good 7 out of 10. It was interesting to try. And it wasn't that bad. Like, it's not that bad. I think it's good. But I do think, because I've seen people put pepperonis, I've seen people put Slim Jims in there, chicken. That will really spice it up, give it an extra little oomph. I'm gonna put a little oomph. But yeah, it was real good. I think I should try it. I would definitely eat that. Like, I'm surprised that ain't a struggle meal. Because in jail, that's a struggle meal. But, like, I'm surprised people don't just eat that as a struggle meal. Because it's good. Like, but, yes, guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And catch me in my next video.